Hello everyone, today we learn about family members in Swahili. Let's get started. 1. Familia, familia, family, family. 2. Baba, baba, father, father. 3. Mama, mama, mother, mother. 4. Mwana, mwana, child, child. 5. Mtoto, mtoto, child or kid, child or kid. 6. Kaka, kaka, brother, brother. 7. Dada, dada, sister, sister. 8. Babu, babu, grandfather, grandfather. 9. Bibi, bibi, grandmother, grandmother, mother. 10. Mjomba, mjomba, uncle, uncle. 11. Shangazi, shangazi, aunt, aunt. 12. Binamu, binamu, cousin, cousin. 13. Mke, mke, wife, wife. 14. Mme, mme, husband, husband. 15. Watoto, watoto, children, children. 16. Ndugu, ndugu, siblings or relative, relative. 17. Shemeji, shemeji, brother-in-law or sister-in-law. 18. Mkwe, mkwe, mother-in-law. 19. 19. Mjukuu, mjukuu, grandchild, grandchild. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.